Hello, wishing you a warm welcome to the OxyGEN Getting Started video. OxyGEN was created to give you a faster, intuitive, all-in-one place solution with more functions for your microfluidic tasks. There is a variety of things you can do with OxyGEN, but let's stick to two topics in this video for starters. First, I will give you a general overview of the interface using a simulated system. Second, I will show you how to control the devices in real time. By the end of this video, you will be all set to proceed with your own microfluidic experiment. Let's begin with a general overview. After you have launched the software, you arrive at the landing page. You can either control your microfluidic system in real time, or you can add protocols for time-based automation. For instance, you could reload protocols here as soon as you have created some. This window also allows you to get direct links towards FLUIGENT services and our latest newsfeed. The default mode of OxyGEN is live control, so you can hit the live control button or just click on the background outside the window. Here you can see the main panels of live control. Let's simulate a system and see more details. To do so, we click on the plus icon and select, let's say, a lineup system. The Devices block shows all your connected devices. When you put a cursor on different devices, you can see its properties and other connected instruments like valves or flow units. Live Control section shows all the possibilities for the control in real time. And the Overview section provides combined data about flow rates and pressures from all the devices. OxyGEN allows you to customize your workspace by resizing these sections. Now that you know the basics, let's have a closer look at the Live Control section. It contains different types of control panels that represent different instruments from the system. There are 4 types of control panels. The dark blue ones are dedicated for pressure control and are linked to a pressure or vacuum channel. If you have a flow sensor, such as flow unit in the system, you can directly control the flow rate on these green panels. Orange panels are meant to control valve position in real time. And finally, the purple panels are used to trigger TTL signals from the link. You can manage the display of all panels using a set of filters based on different types of panels, channels, and instruments, so you can focus on what matters to you. Let's now build the system with real devices from scratch and test the control function. To make sure the devices are recognized automatically when connected, and to fully benefit from our hot plug-and-play feature, go to the Settings menu, tick this checkbox, and save the changes below. First, we connect the link module. It has appeared in the Devices section, and we can instantly see the TTL options available in the Live Control section. Then, we add one flow easy and a second one with a connected flow unit. Both devices will appear above, and the flow unit is also recognized. So you can notice that the panels to control them appear automatically. We have recently added the P-switch and switch easy valve controllers, compatible with a set of microfluidic valves. Below we can see the control panel for P-switch and panels to control each valve connected to the switch easy. Now let's try managing the devices. You can apply the desired pressure value either by using the slider or by typing the precise number in the dedicated field. The control of flow rates works the exact same way. And you can switch all the valves positions as you need. Combined, all these features should make it easy for you to have full control over your experiment. That's it for now. We hope this video helps you feel confident getting started with using OxyGEN with your system. Check our advanced live control tutorial for a more detailed view on all settings, and see you in the next videos.